Run it back.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and take a look around us, man. There's a lot of stuff going on. We got sneakers on this side, sneakers on this side, sneakers on that side. Oh my gosh, who's that? Is that Mr. Riff-LA Jeff?
LeBron James.
Is that Dusty?
LeBron James. Shouts out to my uncle, Manny Pacquiao.
Signed Manny Pacquiao.
Signed Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao stuff.
Fuck, chill.
Wait, freaking Ryan Garcia?
Chill, Canelo.
So we're back here. We're just we're kind of just looking for some nice, unique sneakers that maybe some of y'all haven't seen, or maybe you haven't seen for a minute. So we're gonna go through, check these racks out real quick. Shout out to Jeff for having us and showing us everything back here. We appreciate that.
Anytime.
And yeah, let's see what we can find.
This cartoon's other.
Yo, I got
Dude,
that.
those
I
are
have
David's
those.
favorite.
Oh,
They separated, so I'm gonna have this guy on Soul Swap.
It's funny, mine too.
Fire.
I have them. Dude, these are so dope.
Those are my Grail Cortez.
What size are those? They look small.
They look like an 8 or
it's
something.
an 8.
Ah,
Damn,
those
dude.
are so sick. Wait, I gotta show them the G units. Check these out. These are all like old Riff shoes that, shoot, I don't think they're listed right now, but yo, shout out to Riff, bro. G units. Comment down below if you guys remember this. This is for all the OG sneakerheads right here. There's so much good stuff, and it's crazy because all these prices over here are like old prices before stuff went like crazy.
Shouts out to Michael Vick, dog. Shouts out to Michael Vick. OG linens. Ooh.
Laser 4s.
Old, man.
Haven't seen these in a while. Let's see what else we got here. PEs?
Yeah.
Nah, the
Whoever
EPs.
this size, 16.
That's Michael Jordan, dude.
These are Michael Jordans.
Every single shoe, bro. It's Michael Jordan.
They're brand new.
Where are the other ones? The 13s that we had. They're like over here.
This one?
Or some of the Yao Ming shoes.
Where are they?
These.
The Yao Mings are these?
These are the
Do you know
Manny
Yao
Pacquiao's.
Ming has his
Oh, they
own
are?
shoe? No idea. Let
Oh,
us
right
know
here.
in the comments. Oh, right here.
Yao Ming
Okay.
shoes right here, people. Crazy Dragon wear.
These ones.
What are those?
Yeah, so that's the shoe Michael Vick got in trouble for because it shows,
Dog fights.
yeah, literally. See
Really?
Oh,
you
shoot.
see the boxing glove hitting the dog?
Oh,
yo.
You guys didn't know this? Come on, man.
We didn't know that it was on the shoe.
I'm a sneaker historian. Just kidding.
David made a joke. It became real.
Oh, for real, he did.
Oh, that's messed up.
Alright, I'm gonna go wait downstairs.
What's in that 10.5 Cortez box at the way top?
This one? Oh, these are one of my personals. I like Cortezes a lot.
Yeah.
Actually.
Dude,
I
you're a
love it.
cholo.
These are what?
Oh, those are
OG from
old.
93.
That's the year I was born. Congrats, dog.
This is crazy.
The last person that tried those on were Post Malone.
Oh,
He was so like,
Which one so I can smell it?
right? He was super happy about them, but for some reason he didn't want to buy them. He bought that Supreme bike from us. Who remembers that? Who remembers that right there?
See these ice creams?
I don't know the words. I wasn't really a big Pharrell fan.
That was Tupac, dog.
He's still alive?
He's in Cuba.
He's in Cuba, right?
Is he?
I don't know.
97.
Brand new?
Yeah.
I can see you wearing those.
Yeah, maybe on the basketball court.
Maybe for swimming.
These look like Alien versus Predator type shit.
These freaking size 16s. Wowzers.
Let's do a quick comparison to my head.
PJ Tucker right there.
Quick comparison.
That's your boy.
Damn.
Ooh, PJ
That's,
Tucker.
dude, imagine getting kicked by this. Just
It's actually one of the nicest.
Dude, there's so much stuff. Dude, silver box, Nike SB right there.
what do you think? What do you
What's in
think?
it? What's in it?
I'm thinking Jedi. Oh,
Oh.
oh!
What are
We got the
those?
Beehive
Rare
Sixes.
Vans out there.
Rarest Vans.
Rarest Vans. The Simpsons?
Are these the Mr. Cartoon? Oh no, they're Cos ones.
Marge Simpsons.
Bart Simpson.
Do
Marge.
you remember
March?
that fucking era?
These are super rare.
Ooh.
I've never seen these.
Wait, the claws?
Nah, I've never seen these.
It's too
ones.
young.
Bro, when those came out, they only made They chose like a handful of artists to make their own bands,
Uh-huh.
and only 100 pairs per model exist. Damn.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, that was like early, probably what 2007.
Oh, wow.
Probably some of your followers weren't even born yet. To be
Yeah.
honest, right?
They're still not born.
Oh, baby.
That's what happens when you don't wear your shoes.
Nobody asked.
Alright, guys.
I'm just kidding.
Indiana Jones 6s. Yo, wait, hold on. They're actually going for 600.
Put it back. Just put it back,
Yo,
too.
imagine you kicked in the head by this. No, I'm not gonna get it.
Tez?
No, mames.
Oh, shit.
I got it. Let's see where
Teamwork. Okay, we know what those are. This one says find the other side. Do a lot of shoes go missing?
Bro, a lot.
That's
If you
crazy.
see any singles right now on the floor,
Uh-huh.
which is like there's a good amount down here,
Yeah.
you do not know where the mate is.
All right, we'll look for it.
If you find it, you can have it.
All right.
2000s
It's the name
or
of the
1999, whatever.
game. Name of the game.
Nice.
That was fake. He didn't mean that.
Dude, I love these.
Did you guys know Nike SB made a golf shoe back in the day?
Golf
You
shoe.
know, people are into golfing nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Nike SB.
Okay. Okay.
Come
Wow.
on, B.
With the
That's
leather?
sick.
Where's Tiger Woods at? See Tiger Woods rocking these?
Probably have.
Bruh.
While wearing these. While wearing golf shoes. That guy's a freak.
That guy freaks.
Yeah, that guy freaks.
Bro, but why would Nike SB make this shoe? I don't get it. Like, that doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, that doesn't.
That would be sick though if someone skated with these.
David, you got it.
Do we have any skaters here?
I used to.
He freaks. He's being humble right now.
I can pop an ollie.
Yeah, you know, I used to shred with P-Rod, you know, back in the...
Let's see. Okay, let's see what's missing here. We got 2001 Royal Ones, AJKOs, some Dornbecker 9s, some Sakai's. We gotta find these.
Some OG Urawa.
Oh gosh.
Nagi's, dude. Urawas, that stock. You don't know about these? Damn.
I've never seen those.
I've never seen those ones.
Dang, really?
Nah.
See, there's an eel on the back.
The Yoders.
Air Max Day's coming
New
up.
Balance.
Get your Air Maxes up. I thought it was just a side Manny Pacquiao glove and it said happy birthday. Open it to Shayla. That's my first daughter. Crazy, dude. Shayla don't even give a fuck who What a fuck. It's so random. What the hell?
Dang, the Calypsos.
Oh, you didn't show these.
I did. I showed it for a little bit, but yeah, you can talk about it.
Yo, G-Unit Reeboks. I remember walking into the store. I saw the one with the spinning G. Cops those, dude.
You felt so good, huh?
Dude, I was the only one in school that had those, man.
This is crazy. Like, look at the box.
You
Whoa.
want some Levi Jordan 1s. Whoa.
Are the pants in them?
You know what? Oh, they are, my friends.
Yo,
That's
they're
random.
crazy.
Crispy.
501 jeans?
You know what's funny? When you bought these Levi ones, you didn't get to choose your pant size or your shirt size.
Mm-mm.
It's like whatever's in there, you're taking them.
Oh wow.
34,
So
34.
if you wear a size 40 waist, you got a size 34 pants waist right here. Give it to your girlfriend. So random.
These ones are really pricey one, right?
Some space shoes.
Copper drop.
Drop.
Ooh, those are nice. Those are nice.
What's
Nike
your?
never brought them back yet.
Not this colorway.
Yeah, the caves. Those are the caves.
150 for
They
these.
brought
My
back the
goodness.
ceramic ones.
Ceramic.
The plum ceramics. Yeah.
Jack Skellington?
What's he wearing? He got the black Air Forces on.
Now watch me whip. And watch me nay.
I think we found a lot of stuff here, dude. All right, we're entering room number 2.
But you
People
know,
wear these
Getting
still?
hit by a door.
People wear these? Guess not, because they're up here.
I'm buying something today.
Oh, you best believe.
I'm buying
I
something.
am too.
Oh, me too. Peer pressure.
Coffee from 2 months ago.
Do you wanna?
Is that?
Do you want this helmet signed by Steve Young?
Oh, yo, I have a bunch of Steve Young stuff.
That's all you.
How much to drink that coffee right there? That's been sitting.
$1,000.
Yeah?
So gross.
$1,000 store credit? It looks like yogurt right now.
Where's that
That's
go?
so nasty, dude.
Funny, this is
Well, let us know what we can't film.
film whatever you want, man.
What is that? Dude, that's the OG AT&T. OG iMac?
I have these.
What?
Good for you, dog.
Everyone else.
No, but I have the OG.
Does it even matter anymore?
No, honestly, no.
Think about
I
it.
need to get rid
Space
of these
Jams.
too. I don't have the OG box.
Size 15?
Yeah.
Shit, I guess we have.
Man's is
I
blessed.
guess we have 2 pairs of these Nike SB golf shoes.
Hey.
I guess can't find the other side of this.
You just knocked over Steve Young.
Did I?
Fuck that guy. Crazy story. I bought a pair of Charles Woodson 11s off this guy.
Oh my god, dude! Don't
Okay,
even.
look, watch. Say Dustin knows. 2 pairs. He sold me both pairs for $750. One of the pairs I sold it to.
One of our coworkers from
Four?
fucking Riff.
You know how much?
9,000, right? 9,000.
Oh, shit.
The guy who
$9,000.
used to train all these people in the Raiders. So he came by, sold me the 2 pairs of those. So I sold that one for $9,000, and I sold the other one for $10,000. So from $750, I made $19,000.
That's a come up.
Just to be nice, because he brought all these random football helmets. I was like, fuck it, I'll go buy those 2 off you. You know, just to be super nice. I
Bro,
felt
dude,
bad.
the whole Vegas trip,
That's fire.
our coworker would not stop fucking hounding Jack.
Bro,
Yo, let me
so,
buy him.
yeah.
Let me buy him. Let me buy him. Let me buy him. I'll go to the bank right now.
Shout
Let me buy
out to
him.
the homie.
Ricky.
Ricky.
Sold to David. Yo, I don't remember buying these.
Magic Johnson's.
Oh yeah.
The OG.
I don't remember buying these.
Take them. I'll take a t-shirt. Oh, XL.
XL.
Hell yeah.
Oh, here's a large.
15-year anniversary. Riff LA.
I'll pop them.
Oh, there's another XL. And another XL.
This one's smaller than the other one.
Post this on Air Max
Room?
Day.
I mean, it loops over here.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I didn't even see
Damn.
It's all old vintage Supreme.
It's the air horn. I'm not chill, dog. Damn, the PR Futuras. Those are nutty.